Hey, what's up guys? Today we are at the Aurora Reservoir. It's a pretty good day to be out here.
Oh yeah, it is.
This is Jordan right here. She's gonna help me do the lesbian prank. She's gonna be making out with another girl in public. Should be pretty cool.
It's a mango. He has an accent though, so he says it.
You said I have an accent?
Yeah, you got them saying mangarita. Yeah, it's a mango-rita.
It's the same shit.
Follow me on IG, Jordan Lynch.
Follow where?
Follow me. Get
You gotta say it.
up. Like up the pictures. I said it. Jordan Lynch 143. I repeat. That's Jordan Lynch 143.
All right, so just say Jordan Lynch.
Now you get a discount.
Jordan Lynch 143. Follow her. In this episode of Naked and Afraid.
Is that a cave right there?
Oh, we found shelter. Found shelter. There's a cave in there, but guys, this is where we're gonna take shelter for 21 days. We're right next to the water. We could wipe our asses with that water.
We got plenty of food here.
There's no civilization. Oh, it's a girl spotted over there. It's pretty rare to see people over here. That's where we're gonna be at for 21 days. Not naked, with food. We gotta keep going. Try to find some food. Even though my backpack is full of sandwiches.
Check it out.
Will I have to eat heavier? Oh, some steep rocks. Whoa, I could have just died right there. Looks like we have reached the bridge. We have reached the bridge.
We have a selfie.
I do my own selfie with the camera. Yeah. We just spotted a wild monkey. Oh, looks like we found another shelter with the bench. Looks like we found our next meal right here. These are pretty good leaves to eat. Yeah.
Find a weapon here.
This weapon, in case we encounter some wildlife. The only way to check if this is drinkable water is you gotta smell it. If it smells like shit, you can't drink it. Alright guys, it's day 20. We're still going up this fucking trail. There's a never-ending trail. It never ends. Day 20, we're still hiking. Have yours exhausted? He can't go on.
Go to my base.
He wants to go home back to Aurora to go see his baby mama and pay child support. This is where I take a shit most of the time. That's why I don't recommend you guys drink this water, because it's nasty and smells like my shit. And that's where we usually pee too. So it looks like
we just finished our shelter here. It took us about 20 days.
it's a place to call home. It's a place to call home. We got the Xbox here. We got the plasma TV in here. And we got the benches.
See, it should be waterproof.
It should be waterproof, but it hasn't rained, so We're gonna get some brewskis. What dial up is?
Too young. We're unblocking this?
Quite a view. The view here is amazing. This is... Alright guys, we just got to Hanging Lake. This is Hanging Lake right here. If you guys ever come to Colorado, you guys definitely have to come to Hanging Lake. Just look at this view, guys. Woo! I wish I could swim in this water.